Yo everyone, this is Jesse from Rexter Rides, and I have a freaking update. Today was the auction for Pasco, Washington, and just out of stupidity, I was just like, well, let's put $100 bids on each one of these cars. Just like, probably won't get anything, but whatever, it's just for fun. And so I went out and did my thing for the day, and went to town, got some groceries, came back, and I decided to look at Copart and see, how much I lost all the bids by. Well, there was nothing in the lost bid category. I was just like, what? Doesn't make any sense. So I logged on to Copart, as you can see here, Copart, logged in, and I went ahead and I moved on to what was it? Lots 1. Because I went to lots lost first and didn't say anything. See, it was empty. I was just like, that doesn't make any sense. So I went to lots 1. I'm like, what? It's like, no way. This one showed up, and this is what I saw. Your max bid was $100. Your final bid was $100. Title ready to be mailed, and sale status is sold. It's like, what? I just won this car for $100. So, granted, it's a Subaru, it's a Legacy, it's a 2014 2.5i Premium. It has a lot of miles on it. 185,000 miles. That's a lot, but not really a lot for a Subaru. It's like half its life, just about. Now, when you're looking at the damage here, yeah, it looks like a pretty profuse amount of damage there, but really it's not. So the headlight right there, that's damaged, but the hood, that hood can be fixed. There's no heavy, hard dents or creases. Also, I don't think there's a lot of damage to this fender. Just pull that out just a little bit right there. We can look at it, and we'll just put the HD in there. See, it's just mildly creased right here. So there's that. There might be some damage here on the bumper reinforcement. Okay, so it gets better than this. So not a bad looking car overall. That's the only damage it really has on it. Okay, I'm gonna take you through the photos real quick here. I mean, really clean car. I mean, remember we're talking about $100 here. It out the door was $520. That's with shipped to my door. That's being shipped to my door, $520. It was like $350 with auction fees. Not a bad deal. Notice all the tires are all holding air. They all are the same tread pattern, which tells me that they're all the same tire. They're in good condition. All the wheels are there. They don't look to be curved heavily. Zoom in. Yeah, this fender looks like it might have a little bit of damage here, so this one might need to be replaced. Yeah, that's it. So then we're looking here. It's good on the backside. All the glass is good. No problems there. Dirty seats that needs to be cleaned up. It does have a WeatherTech mats though, which is good. And then the stereo could be upgraded. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, for the most part, it's a clean car. There's a lot of anything to it. So this needs to be pulled out right here. Headlight needs to be replaced. I mean, there's not a lot of damage here. I may need a radiator. Don't know for sure. We'll find out. Remember, this is a $100 car. So I went from there, so then I went into, this is what I was actually looking at right here, and so $100, right? And then I went into bumper to take a look to see what it was, market value. It says $5,100. But here's the kicker here. It's only a 1 owner. But it says in 6 years, so I don't get that. There's something a little funky about this. It also has 1 accident, even though it's not reported as having any accidents. And honestly, this one actually shows Go down here, the damage. It shows the damage for $167.95. There's no way. There's something really weird with that. Maybe they just totaled it just to total it. Who knows? And that's the reason why our insurance is climbing up. Thanks, guys. Anyway, so I went ahead and paid for it. Transaction $522.11. This is with shipping. Shipping was $167. I'm sure with some tax on top of it. So I also had some discounts because I was using a secured card, a payment card, and things like that. So it doesn't mean I was using a secured credit card. It means that my card that I was using was going straight to my bank account that actually has cash value in it. So anyway, so $522. Then I came here, success, $522.11. And then, we go over here and we look at its pending payment. So they haven't accepted it yet, but they're getting it ready. And honestly, I expect to see that car here either, later today or maybe even tomorrow. We'll see. Sometimes that, it ships that fast because I'm about 50 miles away from, the auction itself. So those guys tend to ship that stuff pretty quickly. Anyway, so the lesson I learned today was bet $100 on these cars. You never know if you're going to get something. I mean, this was kind of amazing. I never expected to get it, and the reality is, I wound up getting a car for $100, $500 total. Now, if I parted this thing out, I could get $1,500 right today with that for that engine alone, and then all the other parts and stuff like that. If I sell it, I can sell it for about $5,000. But I'm honestly probably going to keep that. That's going to go for my daughter, so she's got a good all-drive car to drive around. So anyway. Hope you guys learned something, and make sure that you, if you're looking for a car, this is the way to do it. Everybody, make sure that they like, subscribe, and ring that bell. I really need your help, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.